This short video introduces the concept of reporting trees and covers a demonstration on the reporting trees within Sage Business Intelligence Financial Report Designer. Although you can create financial reports without the aid of a reporting tree, the reporting tree allows you to model a very sophisticated reporting structure and view your organization in many different ways with the click of a button. Some companies may have a very complex corporate hierarchies that require hundreds of tree units, as well as other hierarchies that require much fewer tree units. Most organizations have a hierarchical structure in which departments or other business units report to one or more higher level units. In a traditional organizational chart, the lower units on the chart typically report to increasingly higher units. Sage Business Intelligence uses the term reporting unit for each box in an organizational chart. A reporting unit can be an individual department from the general ledger, or it can be a higher level summary unit that combines information from other reporting units. For a report designer layout that includes a reporting tree, one report is generated for each reporting unit and at a summary level. All of these reports use the text columns, row and column layouts that are specified in the report designer. Let's take a look at an income statement that has been generated in the report designer. The following income statement has been generated from a standard report designer layout. There is currently no reporting tree associated with this income statement, actual versus prior. If you open up the Report Designer interface, you will see in the Reporting Tree section there is no reporting tree associated with this layout. To add a reporting tree to this layout, you need to go to the BI Tools tab and select Reporting Trees and add a reporting tree. Before you build any reporting trees, you will first need to determine the various reporting structures your company will require. The best approach is to draw an organizational chart of your company, use your current general ledger departments as the lowest level of detail, and to these as many boxes as you need to show high-level divisions or regions. Remember that each box represents a potential reporting unit in any of your reporting trees. To create a new reporting tree, select on the Add button in the Manage Reporting Trees window. Enter a name for your reporting tree. Select OK. The Edit Reporting Tree screen will come up. In the right pane, each reporting unit will need to be added in a separate row with its relevant account filter rule. Now, most organizations use an account structure that separates business units into different categories. A fully qualified account contains a value for the natural segment, such as cash or sales, as well as values for additional segments such as location, division, and department. To add your reporting tree, first select the company that you're going to report on. You then need to name that specific reporting tree. In this case, I'll name it East Branch, and then apply the specific account filter rule. Add the next branch, select the company, add the report filter name, and then apply the account filter rule. The graphical tree on the left pane of the Reporting Tree Manager just allows you to visualize the relationship of the parent-child unit hierarchy, while the right pane displays each reporting unit in a separate row with its relevant account filter. The preview pane will change dynamically to display the results of the account filter for each reporting unit. As you can see, if I select on the East Branch, you'll see in the reporting unit preview data pane it is bringing through all the accounts for the East, and same going if you select on West. An optional distribution instruction may be added to each reporting unit. The distribution instruction entered here will automatically be linked to the generated worksheet. This prevents instructions from having to be selected and linked to each individual report. Distribution will be covered in more detail in the distribution section. You can also use drag and drop functionality to arrange reporting units into parent and child hierarchies. For example, I can take the West branch and have it placed as the child of the East branch, and vice versa. Once you have set up your reporting tree and your reporting tree units, click Apply and Save to continue. Select OK, and now you can associate that specific reporting tree with a layout from your report designer. Go to the income statement that you have generated, and now you are going to apply that specific reporting tree to this specific income statement layout. Select on the reporting tree. There you will see your specific reporting tree that you have set up, the global report. Select OK. Now generate your layout. Before your layout is generated, you will be prompted to select the reporting tree units. In this example, I'm going to run the report by my global level and by East branch. Once you've selected your reporting tree units, select OK, and those will be generated into Microsoft Excel. Each of those reporting units for Global and the reporting unit for East will be generated into different worksheets within the workbook. As you can see, you now have an income statement actual versus prior for your global reporting. This will include your East and West accounts. The second worksheet generated is the income statement actual versus prior for the East branch only. And if you open up your revenue, you will see that it's bringing through the revenue for the East branch only. In Sage Intelligence, you can create an unlimited number of reporting trees to view your organization in different ways. Each reporting tree can contain any combination of departments and summary units. By rearranging the structure among the reporting units, you can create different reporting trees. You can then use the same report designer layout with each reporting tree, enabling you to create different financial report layouts very quickly.